Welcome back to Jemima's Live. Happy 4th of July. Jemima's over here eating her seafood boil. And I took all my mussels out the shell and put them inside there and got my eggs and my corn and my sausage. I don't got no potatoes today. And no shrimps. I'm taking the meat out my crab. How's everybody 4th of July going? It is hot out there. Yeah, it is hot out there. I'm over here watching Shay Babe, plus size Shay, and I'm running errands, out in with the girls. I'm back at home in time for the. And so watching that, just relaxing. We're just in there putting a toilet in the second bathroom. And Mr. Gibson, he likes to over tighten stuff. And I told him, I said, that you're tightening it too much. You know, guys, they don't like to listen to the ladies. So now he going to Lowe's to buy another top because he done busted on the new toilet. After I warmed this, I fixed this yesterday for myself for today, but after I warmed it, then I was like, I really didn't want it. And then I said, let me eat my stuff because every time, the last couple times I fixed it, I didn't eat it. I gave it to somebody. Either I gave it to my niece or I gave it to my sister. So I said, let me eat my stuff. I wanted it. So that's why I cooked it. But, you know, some days you just don't feel like it. But it came out good. Can't wait to get into that corn. Got these spikes on here. These spikes hurt. Oh, there go Mr. Gibson calling now from Lowe's. I have to go. So remember, God loves you, and so do Jemima, so do Jemima, so do Jemima.